It's so cold. Brain freeze. Oh! This is so beautiful and so refreshing. And if you're feeling like it's hot outside, oh my God, even if it's cold outside, this is amazing. And it's so easy to do. It does require a high-speed blender, but don't freak out if you don't have one. Go onto eBay or Craigslist and get one because they're just so worth it to have one of these. I've got a Vitamix and I've had mine like, I've got two, I've got three. I've had like 2009. It's a long time, right? And if anything, I break the jug, but the machine just is amazing. So it is a really good investment. So basically all I'm going to do is take these frozen strawberries and tip them into here. And frozen, like straight out of the freezer. I'm going to add a splash of maple. Now this is optional. I want it because I want this to be extra sweet. That's me, okay? Strawberries, not enough for me, so I just want that maple. So I got a couple of tablespoons of maple. Even 1 tablespoon of maple is fine. And if you don't want to use maple, you can just use dates or coconut sugar or whatever, or nothing at all. It's up to you. Yum. And the technique is listening to the sound of the blender. It's kind of like a car, right? I need salt because it's a building blocks of flavour as well. And it pulls out lots and lots of flavour. So the blender's going to go like low and it's going to start chopping away. And then I'm going to boost it up to high, and then I'm going to boost it because it has another boosting button to higher. And what I want to do is I want the blade to catch the mush of the strawberries and to make it go super, super creamy. And you'll only get that by staying with it and using your tamper. And the way you use a tamper, and this is in my online cooking classes actually, because I take you through really step by step. It's not like YouTube where we're just like 5 minutes, like step by step in these recipes to give you the skill and the technique you need to actually really pump out great plant-based meals that taste like epicness and not crap, basically, and aren't filled with flavors outside of nature. So the tamper goes in, and I'm going to go from all 4 sides of the jug, okay? I'm going to start on low. It's a bit noisy, and just watch what I do with the tamper. And as it's on low, I'm going to turn it up to the middle speed and then to high speed, and you're about to see what's going to happen. Okay, right now it's really icy and it's not creamy. Okay, so now we've got some creamy ice cream texture now. This is what you should be feeding your kids as well. Like if your kids want to have ice cream, or your big kids want to have ice cream, like us, this is the way to go. That's up to you, like I said, how much sweetener you put in there. It's really that simple. And all I'm going to do is get this lid off, get an ice cream scoop. And this is a little bit of a point of difference because I've got some balsamic glaze on here. It's kind of big people's kind of sorbet, you know. And have a look at this, come on. Give me one more. And I just want some more strawberries on top because I can. Great for dinner parties. And then lastly, I'm just going to drizzle a little balsamic glaze, just a little. It's so pretty, isn't it? And you would just think, like, how does that even work? Like, oh my God, it's so cold. Brain freeze. Oh God, it's so good and it's delicious. Check it out. Oh my God, it's so good.